This video, I'm going to share with you what the return on investment is and how you work this out. And in this video, I'm going to share with you now how you can work out the return on investment when buying your property deals. Hey, it's Liam here from Assets for Life, and you're new to this channel, go for it. Hit subscribe and the notification bell right now, and please hit the like button. That would really help me out. I don't really care where property deals are, as long as they're in my desired areas. What I care about is this a good deal? Will I get a good return on my investment? And typically, what I look for is a minimum of 20% return on investment. So how do you work this out? This is very easy, but it's really important you understand. There are two figures that you need to know. Number one is how much money you or your investor is putting into the deal. That's not the value of the property, that's how much money you are putting into the deal. So let's say, for example, deposit, refurb and legals, let's just say that's a £50,000 investment. The second number that you need to know is what is my annual profit on the deal. So we're not looking at gross income, we want to know what the net profit is. And let's just say this is a HMO property, you've got 5 or 6 rooms and it's kicking you out £1,000 a month. That's £12,000 a year. You divide £12,000 by £50,000 and that will give you your net profit, which in this instance would be 24% return on investment. That's a cracking deal, 24% return on investment. You're not gonna make that money in the bank, you're probably not gonna make that in stocks and shares, and your pension is certainly not gonna be giving you 24% return on investment. Now, we can go one step further, because in many cases, you can actually pull all of your money out. You can add enough value through doing a HMO conversion or through property prices increasing, and when you refinance, you can then pull out all of that initial investment capital. I've been able to do this on a number of my property deals. So let's say you do this and you get all of that £50,000 out when you refinance, you have then got infinite return and you have just been given a free house. So if you want to get free houses, or you want to start getting involved with investments that are going to be making you at least 20% return on investment, then come and join me at one of my up and coming events, because this is where I will show you exactly how to find these deals, how to structure these deals, and how you can get started really fast. So thanks very much for tuning in, and please stay tuned for more videos. So click the next video right now. The more you learn, the more you earn. My name's Liam Ryan, you've been brilliant, and I will see you very soon.